What's up, guys? It's one of my favorite kind of videos, and the last fan I met, it was their favorite car. That truck is so loud! Dude, okay, hang on, let's start over. Not the last time, but last week when I met a fan, they were saying that their favorite kind of videos are the unboxing videos. And so that's what we're gonna be doing today, because people have been sending the Ivy Dad some cool gear. Let's check it out.
What are you watching, people? Oh, that's right, Imperial Beach Dad on the YouTubes.
All right, so first, it's funny that that truck drove by and ruined the audio a second ago, because I was in a video recently, I had said, like, hey, does anyone want to be a microphone sponsor? And that was meant like kind of emoji wink face. But, dude, Jeff from Auto Resto Mod, another YouTube channel, a very successful YouTube channel, which is super cool. Auto Resto Mod, they restore basically vintage Fords. And it's kind of neat because when I first bought the Mustang, before it was the punishstang, it was just the Mustang. And because it had yet to punish me. And I didn't have any money, I just bought the car, and I was just dreaming of all the ways I wanted to make it better, and Jeff's channel was super helpful for that, and he's just a good, super awesome guy. Also with 6 kids, so somehow he heard my story. I think that was probably Emily, so thank you very much, Flying Sparks Garage, if that was in fact the case. But he volunteered to, and actually sent me a really cool audio mic, and it hasn't come yet, which is why I'm still having issues, but I'm super stoked on that, so that's super cool. But we're gonna be unboxing some other stuff, because another nice lady from Instagram, Mrs. Dannon, she and her husband, she said they've been following me about a year, and they like my style or my vibe and whatever, my stoke I should say, and they, he's a Mustang guy, and so they asked if I would like a set of Mach 1 floor mats, and so I said yes, of course, and so the Mustang's about to get something really nice. Let's check it out. Here we go, I can see that right here. Dude, I'm stoked. Hope they had the pleasure of opening the suicide door. They might have just put him in the window. Oh, it's Mrs. Dannon is her Instagram handle. However, oh, it is, yeah, the Dannon. Awesome. I just read that for a second. Dude, so thank you guys so much. Let's check them out. Oh, dude, these are cool. These are awesome. I have a dark charcoal. That's rad. It's funny because I actually put formats in it only recently, and these came out of a derby car, so like, you know, one of those wrecked cars out of the junkyard, and I was like, hey, they say Ford, sure. And they're not nice. These are really nice. What's up? Oh, what? Hang on, do you see that? That's awesome. Those are really cool. Let's put one in and see how they fit. So cool. Look at, they fit like the transmission hump perfectly. Ah. They look good too, like they look more gray in the sun, but they look black. Oh, yeah, dude, they look really good. Gosh, they're nice. It's like super nice and embroidered. So cool. He said he got an extra set somehow. You know, and it's one of those things. That's so cool. You know what's funny too? When I was putting it in, I was taking out the old one, which was really in the vacuum. And I found this, and I was like, oh, a piece of the puzzle. It goes right there. And what's funny is that, like, I had to cut it's all crazy to fit, so I think that's super funny. Good stuff! Oh, this is cool too. Speaking of derby cars, I pulled this out of, I believe it was a Crown Vic. Yeah, it was. Check it out though. Got an extra cigarette lighter with that cool, like, flip out door. It has a cool, like, you can feel it. It's like a chunk. And I believe, no, it's either gonna go there. No, it's gonna go down here. And when you pull this out, these, like, cup holders flip out. How dope is that? Okay, so huge thanks to the Dannon family and all the cool people at Auto Resto Mod, and everybody who supports and cares about the Ivy Dad channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel and you're watching here from Facebook or somewhere else, remember you can always go back to Facebook to comment and stuff, because I love to actually interact with you guys. And if you want to pick up a Stay Stoked shirt, that is right here. If you want to subscribe, that is right here. And if you want to watch another video, it's right there. Stay stoked, guys.